Demystifying the phrase, weld bead. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the world of construction and machinery to understand a unique phrase, weld bead. If you've ever been curious about the terminologies used in welding or just want to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. Welding is a process where two pieces of metal are joined together by melting the surfaces and fusing them. Think of it as gluing metals, but with intense heat. The word weld itself refers to the joint where the two metals are fused. A bead, in many contexts, refers to a small decorative piece that's usually rounded or oval. Think of the beads you see in jewelry. But in welding, it doesn't mean a decorative item. Instead, it refers to the line or ridge of welded material that sits on the surface. When welding two pieces of metal, the material used to join them often forms a noticeable line or ridge on the surface. This line, which shows where the welding took place, is called the weld bead. The appearance of the weld bead can tell a welder a lot about the quality of the weld. A smooth, even bead often indicates a strong weld, while inconsistencies or gaps might suggest a weaker connection. Why should we care about weld beads? Well, in construction, machinery, and many other industries, the strength and quality of a weld can be critical. A poor weld can lead to failures, which can be dangerous. The weld bead not only provides strength but also acts as an indicator of the weld's overall quality. We hope this video shed some light on the phrase weld bead. Remember, language isn't just about everyday conversations. It also gives us a glimpse into specific industries and their terminologies. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll be back with more exciting topics. Until then, happy learning!